A Gaushala demolished. Over 100 cattle relocated. Nearly 182 cattle reportedly missing. A pregnant cow allegedly forced to give birth on the roadside. And now serious questions are being raised over whether due process was even followed. Hello, hi, salam or namaste. Welcome to MQM 24/7. I am your host, Miss Ba. Today, we bring you a follow-up to a story that has triggered strong reactions across Goa and among animal welfare activists across the country. The Dhyan Foundation has alleged that its Gaushala at Zambolim was demolished, leaving hundreds of rescued cattle without any shelter. The foundation claims that around 102 cattle were relocated by officials following an order issued by the sub-divisional magistrate and deputy collector with only a 12-hour notice. According to the foundation, officials from the Mamlatdar's office, Animal Husbandry Department, Goa Police and veterinary staff participated in this operation. The foundation further alleges that cranes and trucks were used during the relocation and has questioned whether the vehicles complied with the legal requirements for transporting cattle under animal welfare laws. Another serious allegation is that nearly 15 cattle were sick, injured or disabled and should not have been transported because doing so could have endangered their lives. If verified, this raises important questions about animal welfare protocols and if safeguards were followed in this relocation. The foundation also claims that nearly 182 cattle went missing following the demolition and that only a small number have been recovered, some reportedly returning to the demolished site on their own from nearby ditches and forested areas. But this case raises several larger questions that deserve answers. What exactly was the legal basis for demolishing the Gaushala, that too in the middle of the night? Was a demolition notice issued in accordance with the law? Was adequate time given to respond? Was the foundation given a proper hearing before action was taken? Then comes the crucial animal welfare angle. Were pregnant, elderly, disabled and injured cattle medically assessed before being moved? Were the provisions of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act and the Transport of Animal Rules fully complied with? And what about the cattle that are still reportedly missing? Has any official search operation begun? Has any FIR or missing livestock report been registered? Who is accountable if rescued animals disappear after an official operation? There is also the question of public resources. What was the total cost of this operation to taxpayers? Another question that deserves an answer is urgency. Why was this relocation carried out so quickly? Or could the matter have been resolved through dialogue and due process instead? Stay informed, stay vigilant and stay tuned into MQM 24/7. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.